So what does baby food, chocolate candy, and rat poison have in common? Absolutely nothing, except I've sold those products on Amazon and have made millions of dollars over the last 11 years. Now, Amazon is an amazing marketplace that allows you to sell name brand products that are already selling. Now, these products are really unsexy products. Mouse traps, hemorrhoid cream. These are products that people need that are already selling. Amazon really needs more sellers of these name brand products to get their warehouses stocked back up to be able to provide world-class customer service to the buyers on Amazon. That means they need more sellers. And wholesale distribution is how to make the money right now on Amazon.
I had zero experience selling online.
Can you share roughly what your monthly revenue is at this point?
At this point, it hovers day to day between 20 and 22,000.
These guys are not like any other guys that you will come across on the internet. They're not out for your money, but they have a great passion for helping other people. And that's something that is kind of rare in this world today. So
I don't know how to explain it, but there's that, and you've already reached it, that moment, right, where you put on the glasses and all you see is opportunity.
So I put together this free training program for you. Click the button, go over, start learning the concepts of wholesale distribution, buy box rotation, competitive selling. You'll be able to learn from people that have been selling online since 2002 and on Amazon since 2009. Learn all of the tips and tricks to maximize profitability. I can show somebody how to take the same amount of money and make more money than anybody else. And if it makes sense to you, if this is a business model that resonates, that you want to get involved with and do it the right way in the shortest period of time, just ask questions and let us get you involved.